bagsak, sirang-sira ang concept of checks and balances and controls, Mr. President. And unfortunately nga, this joint circular was participated in by the executive branch. So sana they should look at the rationale behind the rules, yung how it was divided. Kaya nga tayo nagdi-divide, although overlapping din yung gastos dyan eh. Overlapping, magastos mo, same activity, mag-charge mo sa confidential and sa intelligence fund. Actually, may similarity po eh. So that's my point, Mr. President. So I hope that the Office of the President, if I could appeal to their siguro strict legal strict legal aptitude of the people behind the Office of the President, let us be consistent with the issuances that we have signed on. No? So, ganun po sana. Ganun po sana. You are civilian office, wag natin i-confuse yung nature natin na meron tayong intelligence fund. Intelligence funds, you monitor, wag natin sirain yung controls. Wag bigyan ng sarili mo. But doon sa isang fund, no problem. No, there's no problem. And then yung levels po, napakataas. Our president is an Ilocano, so I appeal to his Ilocano nature to review the amounts. Also the amounts, medyo, kasi the amounts contribute to the bottom line of the budget, contributes to the deficit, which contributes to the debt. Ina-establish po natin kahapon yung klarong-klaro. That's the flow chart, ladies and gentlemen. So I'll just make this appeal. I mean, anyway, siguro in due time, kung meron tayong mga activist lawyers listening to us, maybe a case can be filed with the Supreme Court to test the legality of the grant of intelligence funds to the Office of the President, being a civilian agency.